So one of the reasons that EXP made sense for me as just a real estate broker, an independent broker, and I call myself a real estate entrepreneur is because of the collaboration. Being able to be in a room with people who grow when you grow, that's the beauty of the setup of EXP. Now we have international collaboration in 15 countries in all 50 states. And I'm a part of masterminds. I'm a part of different networking groups. And we really come together and put all our ideas in a bucket and walk away with the best practices. So I haven't honestly seen anything like it. And literally, like I might have told you guys before, being an independent, I met everybody in every organization in the real estate broker space. But what I've learned is that EXP has the vibe and the energy that you are looking for when you look for collaboration. And at times, in order to grow, you got to put yourself around people that are already doing what you're doing. And if you're the smartest person in the room, then you're in the wrong room. So collaboration is key and is very important to the reason why I joined EXP, and that the reason why I'm motivated and excited to grow my organization. To find out more about what we're doing, the organization we're growing, and to join it and get more information about it, go to jointm5.com.